Hi, this is Sanil from Learning Lad Education and welcome to the What's the Output video series on C programming language. Here we're going to give you a C program and we're going to ask you guys to guess the output of the program, and then we're going to run the program and explain the output. So all you need to do is pause this movie and take a look at the source code which is here in the editor, and then guess the output. Once you have an answer, just click on the play button. I'm going to run this program and I'm going to explain the output. Alright, now I believe that you guys have an answer for this program. We're gonna save this and build and run this. So it's gonna be build and run, and the answer for this program is gonna be x equal to 1. So now why the heck we're gonna get the value x equal to 1 as the output? So here in this program we have defined two macros by using the hash define preprocessor directive. We have defined true as 0 and 1 and false as 1 or 0. So before the compilation process, this code will be given to the C preprocessor. The preprocessor is gonna search for these macros for the entire program and replace them with the macro definitions. So it's gonna replace this true with 0 and 1 and false with 1 or 0. So here, after pre-processing, the code is gonna look something like this. So here, first we have x equal to 1 or 0. This and or are the logical operators which are gonna return either true, which is nothing but a non-zero value, which is normally 1, or false, which is 0. So here we have 1 or 0. The OR logical operator is going to return a value of true if any one of its operand is true. Here in this case, you guys can see 1 or 0. 1 is considered as true and 0 is considered as false. For this OR, we have one operand as true, and that's why it's going to return a value of true, which is going to be 1. That 1 will be stored in the x variable. Now the x variable is going to contain a value of 1, and then we have this if statement. If 0 and 1, this AND operator is going to return a value of true if both of its operands are true. If any one is false, then it's gonna return a value of false. So here you guys can see we have 0, which is false, and then 1, which is true, and that's why this AND operator is gonna return a value of 0, which is considered as false, and that's why this if condition is gonna fail, and the code inside this if block will not be executed. And then we have this printf function which is gonna print out the value of x, which is 1, and that's why we're gonna get the output as 1. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my website learninglad.com for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.